Okay, you guys. We're at Candy Park. We just went on the scrambler. This is KK. This is Tristina.
I did not go on the scrambler. I did not go on the scrambler.
What's up? He did not go on the scrambler because he's a kid.
What's up, my homies? What's up, my homies?
That's what y'all in there.
What's up, my homies? Back in Spencer. Woo!
Oh, anyway, we're going to go onto the bird ride and then probably the whip. I hope I don't get my hair stuck in it. And then look, there's a Ferris wheel over there. There's a carousel over there.
It's a carousel, not the Ferris wheel.
Look, you guys.
She's the Rizzler. She's the Rizzler.
What are you playing?
Train game. See, I got Goodwill.
Hey, we're waiting for his mom to come back so that we can go on the bird.
I got a Goodwill.
We can't go on the bird without an adult, so. Why does my hair look so good? I need to fix my hair. Okay, there we go.
What's the bike?
Newsflash. What is my name word? T-E-A-G-A-N. Hey, my name is worth that. See what your name is worth, huh? K-D, is it K-D-E-N-C-E? Let's see what your name is worth. We're going on the bird now. The bird! What? The bird!
It's this blue one.
The bird!
I can jump so high I can almost.
I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle. Hey, look. Look. I'm an eagle.
Oh. Look at the little car from. Hang on, there's a car from 1942.
Ooh. Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la. That's the end of it, bro. Say bye, chat.
Guys,